So you can just tick it. So it is done. So next one is called as description. As I said, this is called as the title. Now, whereas you see here these two lines, this is two lines are called as page description. Now, in simple words, what you do is now you tell what is that page about in two lines. Now, it's also description is also called as a meta description. Some people call them as meta description. For me, the first thing you need to know, it is 150 to 160 characters. 160 characters. Like few years back, like couple of years back, it was up to 300 characters for like 6 months. Afterwards, they stopped it. Okay, they were showing 3-4 lines in the page. Okay, but as of now, it's only 2 lines. Now you can write up to 160 characters. Now usually you talk about a preview. You talk, tell me if I want to ask you what is your service about. What can you tell me in 2 lines? That's what you write about in the description. You tell 2 lines or 160 characters precisely what is your product about, and again we have to use keywords. Now coming to here keywords, guys, use the keywords which has not been used. I repeat again, use the keywords which has not been used. It is okay if you use the words which has already been used in the title. Now use the keywords which has not been used, but again guys, it should be human readable. You can never forget this, human readable. Guys, they have an artificial intelligence and they are building more and more algorithms. Okay, just don't go against their terms, don't stuff them. Some people, what they do, no, they put comma as a separator, copy like half of the paragraph and paste it in this box. Don't do that. You are preferably to write. Since my keywords are here, I'm going to write that here. This is wrong, don't do this one. This is, you can't do this. Now here I'm going to quickly write it. Okay, let me look at it. Okay, okay, I'll say leading website design. Since I've used website, I'll put web design now. Web design and development agency in Bangalore, offering cutting edge, responsive websites at responsive websites at affordable cost. Now let me see what I've covered. So let me see. I thought leading somewhere was there. Can I see leading website designing company? I know I've not used designing, but still I try to use few of them. Okay. Now I've used some after keywords here. If we check here, services I have not used. Services is having good search volume. Web designers in you have used. I would prefer to use web designers somewhere. Again, guys, it's completely human readable. Now everywhere agency was there. I tried to cover agency also. If you see here, there was some agency terms here. Web design agency in Bangalore. Web design agency in Bangalore. This keyword is optimized. Web design and development company. Now let me just check. I don't think company I have used, but you got the point. Okay. So guys, it takes time. I know you have not used other keywords also. Don't worry. Go as per priority. Go after high volume keywords. Okay. Top 10 would be a good one. But I've used leading. But if preferably, if I rewrite it again, if I take time, I will write like top web design and development company rather than leading. Okay, so the keyword will be optimized. Now top, if I cover now, I cover most of the keywords. But since I say agencies is not having that high search volume. I see it's just 20, whereas companies having much high search volume. Companies here. So I'm going to say here, rather than agency, I'm going to rename it as companies. Guys, this is what is going in my mind. I'm telling you these exact steps that goes to my mind. If I don't like it, again I rewrite it, until I'm content with my content, not content, which means I'm happy with my description. I keep on writing and rewriting it. This is a continuous process. Okay, so if you want to get more ideas, I don't want to look at my competitors. What do you do? I search for web design company in Bangalore. Let me see what of my competitors are writing. Okay, so again guys, it's keyword optimized, and it talks about, and it's completely human readable. Top web design and development company in Bangalore, offering cutting edge responsive websites. Can I say responsive web design company? Responsive web design company in Bangalore. I think responsive web design company in Bangalore covered. Can I see this? So again, I've covered keywords. Okay, responsive is 90. Top 10 web design company. Top 10 is not there. I could have said in somewhere, guys, still you have so many places you can optimize. Don't worry about using all the keywords. Whatever is left out, try to use them here. Once I write it here, guys, since my keywords are here, I'm writing here. Or else what I do is I'll open two tabs. In the left tab, I'll see my keyword list. In the right tab, now guys, again, you have to delete this except and paste it like this. Again, it's still under word. Can you see this orange? But make sure you use more words here. Okay. So I'm going to write some random words, but you got the point. So here, try to rewrite. Again, I'll try to spend time. Now you start writing for your business. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, sure. No problem. Flex is a, yeah, you can use hyphen, comma, anything. Leading, leading web, leading, leading, award winning web design company. Award winning, award I gave myself. So it's award winning. Okay. Now award winning web design agency, web design agency offering. So I have to work on it. So it's not that good. Winning agency. We offer, again, we should have started with. So again, you have to rewrite, guys. It takes time. I think I can't use these words because it's already been used. Okay. So as of now, I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to remove this stuff. So try to write better. Okay. Cutting edge responsive websites at affordable cost. Okay. We design e-commerce to corporate website. We design corporate. I should start with design corporate to e-commerce website. Something like this. It looks much better. We design. Say I can say our designers, something like that. Still okay. It's fine for now. This is perfect. It looks good, but not great. Still, guys, you have to rewrite it. But this is done, guys. I'll update this. So once I update this, if I come to the front end, you won't see it anywhere because this content, what I write here, will be shown only in the SCRP. I repeat again, this content will be shown only in the SCRP. Now, this will not be shown here, but still you can find in the source code. Press Ctrl U, go to the source code, press Ctrl F and type DESCRIPTION. Description. Can you see here, guys? Meta description. This is the thing I wrote. Top web design and development companies in Bangalore offering cutting edge responsive websites at affordable cost. We design corporate to e-commerce website. Okay. So I would have much write it in a better way. Responsive websites. Responsive websites. Say starting from corporate to e-commerce website at affordable cost. Something like this. E-commerce spelling wrong, affordable spelling wrong. Something like this, guys. But still, can you see I've exceeded character limit? This is fine. Don't need to worry. But if I check on mobile, these words will show websites. Something missing. But still, you got the point. Just make sure you update it. But try to rewrite it, guys. If I write to use, now can you see? I'll try to use an ampersand. That should do the trick. Let me use an ampersand. Still, again, guys, you got the point. You'll be able to figure it out using 1 or 2 characters writing less. So this is done, guys. And this is how it looks on mobile. This is how it looks on desktop. Okay, just make sure you update this. And once you update this, come to the front end and refresh it. You won't see it anywhere, but you can check it in the source code. Press Ctrl U, press Ctrl U, press Ctrl F and type description. You will be able to see the description here. See, this is the meta description. You can check it out.